awesome beverages, which is all served by our trained and well-qualified staff. Are our offices. You know, we're not ordinary theater. You know, we have top of the line, high-tech technology, you know. You never see this stuff around here. That's with theater. You shouldn't be afraid to be who you are. Because we don't judge you, we accept you for you. Let me show you into our dressing room. This is it.
Your girlfriend was hot. Don't you wish your girlfriend was...
We are very pet friendly. You know, if you need to bring your pet to work, it's okay. Bring them out. Oh, that's gross. Watch this. Is also a place to show your creativity and your talents and what you do and your acting skills. You know, this is our salon that I'm gonna be showing you next. Alright, well, you see my crib, you see my past, now it's time for you to go. Come on, let's go, come on.
Con los terroristas.
The Harlem Shake.